Engarenok lelo mutoso Teso Karamoja nepeka jure kisbia na potiria mnoso otomano center loli limo district alo kata kwi anoda emoi waitini luda puchonor.
To our relationship with the Teso community, especially Katakwi and Kapelebiong. In terms of trading, socio-economic activities, people are actually together. Except of the criminals that sometimes go and pick one cow or two, whom we are actually against, totally against as a district. And none of us is actually happy when you see the other neighbor's cow being taken. And these are the issues that we have come to fight, that this criminality must be dealt with.
Ido tuma na riamnete kana Engarenok kieza pote chamna rose biranu kwa nangoni district Ikungoi jenune totomano Ibaren kech anuda jenitor teterepata na imo areko kwa retaikai nyaka kinejasi kulepe.
So now we want to regulate and minimize exaggeration by having specific brands for specific sub-county but for a district. Like for example, if the animals that are bearing B106-1, that's a petroleum livestock. So wherever we see the animals of that mark, we'll know that this is a petroleum, this is an abual. Up to 14. Now, the reason why we are bringing this, we want to regulate and minimize the issue of exaggeration of livestock. And it's very important for identity, for a particular sub-county. You can put your clan brand, but this one is a district specific and a sub-county specific brand.
For all the districts that are bordering each other, their animals be branded so that it enables easy identification and tracking, so that security forces are able to identify animals and be able to recover them and hand over to the rightful beneficiaries once animals are stolen.
Engarenok lukez de baka sebe apotitu ngaiche nepeka Engarenok oloma kisa ikwame namba luda Ibaren na luda ekokwaretai anukese medown otoma.
We have also noted a tendency within Teso and in Karamoja where local leadership connives with people to exaggerate numbers that are reported to have been stolen. You find a victim whose animals are stolen, maybe they steal 10 cows, and then the victim works together with the LOC1 chairperson of a local leadership to exaggerate the numbers to 20. And as a result, as security forces are looking for the animals, instead of looking for the 10 that are rightly stolen, they end up looking for 20, and in the process, when they don't recover it, it affects their planning. So
Ido Vincent Okwilera tupito na radisi otomano district alo kata kwe nyezda bale bem amene kesa kora Ibaren lude kamnetai nara ipuitu ngalude maria ete ateikoni no mama jenanot.
You'll find that maybe two people claiming one animal. In this scenario, there are 5 animals here. We managed to give out to the rightful owners last week or this very week, about 12 of them, but we hit a snag on the 5. 3 people claiming for those 5 animals. One says he brought those animals from Masindi, all of them. The other one from Karamoja says those are his animals. But the person, I think from Okameta, that side, is claiming only 1 bull. And he has his records. He entered that in that message book. So you find it very difficult to ascertain who is the owner.
Konyeja ngonda ajore nyesi da bui muwa umisheti na Ikungoi jenune totomano Ibaren obakas da bunebe era ingine Ichanchana Park.
The other time animals were being branded, and even UPDF would move in the kraals, say, yeah, remove this one because it belongs somewhere. But now our Karamojongo brothers abused the branding.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Katakwi.